So what's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Instagram not working on your iPhone. Many iPhone users are facing that their Instagram is not working properly after iOS update. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to force restart app. The first step to take when an app like Instagram is not working on your iPhone or iPad is to close and reopen it. The app get a fresh start, which can sometimes fix a minor crash or software bug. Our solution number 2 is switch to a different Wi-Fi connection. Social media won't load due to poor or known internet connection. Maybe your Wi-Fi connection is causing the error. That's why you are facing Instagram not working on iPhone. You can switch to a different Wi-Fi connection to check the internet connectivity and speed. Our solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone or iPad can fix small software issues and app crashes. All the apps and programs running on your device shut down naturally. Then get a fresh start when turned on again. For this you have to go to your settings, go back, go to general and scroll down, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you are still facing the same issue, then update your app. Instagram developers frequently release updates to keep the app running efficiently and introduce new features. If you are using an old version of Instagram, you may experience bugs that can fix by an available update. If you have not updated your Instagram, then update it. Our solution number 5 is delete and reinstall app. It is possible an Instagram file has been become corrupted, preventing you from using the app on your iPhone and iPad. Delete and reinstalling Instagram will give it completely fresh start. So guys, these were some simple steps to fix Instagram not working on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.